Hi, today I want to tell you how to lubricate the gears on a garage door opener to make sure that the garage door opener doesn't break over a period of time. So here we go. The garage door opener type is what I've shown here. It's a Sears Craftsman model, half horsepower. The model number is shown here, HBW0777, and I've installed it back in February of 1995, or I should say Sears installed it at that time. This is really the second garage door opener I've had, and the process I'm about to show you here is how to keep this garage door opener in working condition year after year without any problems as far as the internal gears are concerned. Now you may want to check with your own model for your garage door opener to see whether this process is really required for newer models. But for the older plastic gears that existed, at least in this particular model, this was important because initially, after about 5 or 6 years for my first garage door opener, the gears would break, and then I had to replace the entire garage door opener with another one. And with a little bit of maintenance, that whole process can be avoided. So this is why I think this video is important as far as that's concerned. So the first thing you do, obviously, is disconnect the power supply. Then here I'm pointing out the 4 screws that need to be unscrewed in the back of the unit. Then here I'm taking the back panel off, showing the gear assembly on the inside. You'll notice on this particular unit there's actually 2 gears. There's a larger gear which still has remnants of some grease on it that I've greased from the last couple of years, and also a lower gear at the bottom which also has a little bit of grease on it as well. And there's a motor that drives both of these, and there's a shaft in the middle of this gear assembly which in turn goes up to the chain mechanism and then moves the chain to pull the garage door up and down. So actually both of these gears need to be lubed as well as possible, but it's also important to make sure you don't put too much lube on there because you don't want lubrication to fly off into the circuit board or anything like that. White lithium grease is a good type of grease to use because it's lightweight and not heavy for lubrication of these kind of gears. Then the final step is just to put the back panel back on, attach the 4 screws, and plug the power back in again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, typically you should take a look at these gears at least every couple of years, unless the maintenance system for your garage door opener indicates otherwise. But it saved me a whole lot of time and trouble, and like I've said before, this garage door opener has lasted for decades just because of doing some simple maintenance with the plastic gears every couple of years or so. So I hope you enjoyed this and have a good day.